Welcome to the world of flawless wood floor filling and repairs with LOBA EasyFill, the ultimate solution for filling gaps and repairing imperfections with ease. Get ready to witness a filler like no other. LOBA EasyFill offers excellent coverage, fast drying, no offensive odor, and easy application. Let's dive into the magic of LOBA EasyFill. Need to fill large gaps or spaces? No problem. EasyFill allows you to adjust the viscosity from low to high, making it perfect for both full troweling and spot filling. Say goodbye to hassle. EasyFill is incredibly easy to apply, ensuring a smooth and seamless repair process every time. Worried about color consistency? EasyFill could be mixed with wood dust from any species, ensuring a consistent staining without the fear of color loss. Once dried, LOBA EasyFill powders well, sands easily, and won't clog your abrasives, making the finishing process a breeze. EasyFill offers excellent coverage, fast drying, no offensive odor, and easy application. It's your go-to solution for all types of wood flooring. Whether it's engineered, solid, strip, plank, or parquet, EasyFill has got you covered.
I'll be honest, I don't normally sit there and weigh it out or measure it out. I'm looking for a certain consistency. I'm looking for essentially a pancake batter.
Okay.
Elevate your wood floors with LOBA EasyFill, where excellence meets ease. Visit our website or contact your local distributor today.